Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of Baba's Kitchen. It's been a while. For the last 2 years, I've not done an episode on Baba's Kitchen. As you know, I've been engaged in the charity project through Multicultural Social Network. But anyhow, now decided we'll start again the Baba's Kitchen program. Well, today I will not be doing the cooking. There was somebody special. You're very familiar because she has been very active, a regular provider of meals to the homeless in our Multicultural Social Network project. Here I have Sister Lela. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming and then appearing in this episode. She'll be doing her own cooking. I will just be beside her watching. Alright? So I will not be doing any cooking today. So Sister Lela, first of all, of course, thank you for coming. And of course, I should thank you for providing the meals to the homeless. Fortnight. She provides meals to the homeless at Labrador with her friends, support from her friends as well. What is the organization? Your organization?
Seharum Nusantara.
Repeat again, please.
Seharum Nusantara.
Okay.
Indonesian.
Yeah, so together they supply. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, sister, what are we cooking today?
Well, today I'm going to make a traditional Indonesian style.
Sister, I see all these ingredients. Now, I'm familiar with most of the ingredients, but some I'm not. Can you explain? Let's start with this. What is this?
This one pandan leaf.
Pandan leaf, yes?
Pandan leaf, okay.
Yes.
And this one lemongrass. Of course, you know lemongrass.
Yes.
And this is kaffir lime leaf.
Kaffir lime leaf,
And this
yes.
one turmeric leaf.
Turmeric leaf, Let me
Yeah.
smell.
But
Smells
I
good.
don't have the fresh one at home.
Well, if we go one by one, we have the chili here,
Chili, yeah.
sugar,
And coconut.
coconut. Okay, coconut powder actually, coconut powder. Yeah.
yeah.
Now, then we have. Okay, sister. Here. So, is this the final product of this?
The same product.
So,
and this is the same product.
So you grind them together.
Yeah, with the onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and galanga.
Mashallah.
Whatever I can.
It's very strong,
I can find
Very
it,
strong, mashallah. My favorite. Look at that.
Sambal,
chili.
Yeah.
I need sambal, And then, sister, I'm not very familiar with this. What is this?
Kapelan.
Kapelan.
This is the leaf and this is the fruit. Kapelan. And this is the skin, the grated one.
Oh, is it from the skin?
Yeah, skin only, not inside skin
So,
only.
what does it do? Give the taste or the flavor or the smell? Aroma?
Aroma. Just like
very strong.
Just like this one. See, you put this. See, just aroma. Yeah.
Yes, it is very strong. Very common Indonesian cooking, eh?
Yeah,
very good. Alhamdulillah. Well, others are basic stuff. We have chicken. That's the main dish today. And of course, Indonesian can't go without rice. Yeah, they all need rice. So that's rice. Okay, here we go, right? So, sister. So, inshallah, let's start. In order to save time, Sister Lela has already cooked and prepped, okay? Maybe she wants to keep the secret. She doesn't want anybody to know. All right? She's a chef, All right, never mind because it's a time constraint.
I can see you next time.
Yeah.
Especially this one.
Yeah.
On the cooking.
So next time she will show you how to cook. All right?
Indonesian yellow rice.
Indonesian yellow rice. Okay. So in the meantime, she have almost done a dish. So we'll see how she arrange it. Okay, let's watch it. Now, sister, what's the first step?
This yellow rice.
Before you go, what is this? Banana leaf.
Yes, from the garden.
So traditional, eh?
Yes. My husband grow banana leaf.
Banana leaf. Okay. Now show the husband he's there. Okay. Hello, Paul. How are you? Good.
Yeah, great.
Okay. All right. Now, so first is that you pluck this banana leaf.
Yes.
And then you wash it.
Yeah, of course.
Wash it. Yeah. So very hygienic. Okay. They wash it. Okay. Now first thing is the yellow rice. Yellow rice.
Put in the middle.
MashaAllah. Beautiful.
And
yes.
chicken. We can put any meat, but the simple one we just put chicken. Okay?
Chicken. Yes. I think everybody can eat chicken. It's very delicious also.
And this is
an
the egg.
Okay.
Sorry, only one egg.
So when you fry this egg, do you put
boil and then fry?
What do you put for coating? Do you put flour?
No, just deep fried.
Deep fried.
Yeah.
So you boil the egg, fully boil, and then you deep fry in the oil. That's it.
That's it.
Okay, that's fine.
That's it. And this one, the ingredient there.
Which one?
This one.
Okay. So basically, what you do is You have a chicken.
This one.
Then you marinate.
And then boil a little
Boil,
bit, and then take it out, let it cool, and then fry.
I see. Okay.
it, yeah.
So let's repeat again. So what you do? First you have a chicken.
Yeah.
And then do you marinate first?
No. Boil together.
You boil together.
Yeah,
okay. You take a pot.
Take the
You
pot,
boil them together.
Just enough water.
Enough water?
Just enough until the water dry,
Uh-huh.
and then fry it become like that.
I see. Okay. Beautiful. All right. We'll put this thing back, and then, sister, what goes next?
Okay, the chili. This is sambal.
Oh.
Everyone know the sambal, okay?
Yeah. Oh.
So just put like that.
On the egg. Okay.
Or whatever, okay? This is the simple one. Usually they got so many variety for the yellow rice, but I make the simple one.
Very hot.
Can you see?
Yes. Beautiful.
That's all.
Look at that. It's colorful like Leila's scarf or turban. What you call it? Look at today. Scarf. Okay. And look at how multicolored it is. You know why? Today is
Because I'm a
multicolored person. Yes, very multicolored person, and beautiful. And today also a beautiful fine day, sunny sky.
I know.
Crackers. We got crackers here. Prawn crackers.
Just like that.
Oh, look at that.
Whatever. Put it like
Beautiful.
that. And
see how much decor. Apart from the food being delicious, also you have a lot of decor goes in. You know why? Because the eye eat first before your stomach, right?
yeah. Okay, this is the garnish,
Yeah.
and this is for the garnish, and this is for the garnish. Okay.
Garnish. Okay, garnish.
Usually I can cut in half,
Yeah.
and I make this one special garnish. I bring this one. I show you. Okay, this one. This is the garnish.
Garnish.
Garnish, yeah. Look at me, what?
I'm learning something. I never done garnishing in my cooking, and I'm learning. It's not that difficult, eh?
No,
Oh.
you can use from the how do you call tomato. Yeah.
Tomato.
To make the tomato roses.
I see. People at home, please be careful and use the knife. All right, extra coach.
Okay.
Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. See, so much of decoration goes in.
Just to make it alive.
I love chili. You love chili?
Of
course. We all love chili. Paul, how about you? Do you love chili? A little bit. Okay, all right. Okay.
Put the chili this one
Okay.
to make it alive. Yeah.
See how it make a big difference. In the green background, you have a red dot. Beautiful.
I make a chili flower, but just in hurry.
Yes. Curry in a hurry.
And this one,
Yeah.
you can put like that, whatever.
Oh.
Just like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Just
So you just eat raw, eh?
Yeah.
You see, I remember I had an uncle. He just take it and put it in his mouth. That's it.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know.
Some people eating raw.
Yeah, raw.
Okay, this one done.
Yes.
That's a fried onion. That's the.
This is the fried onions you can buy from the supermarket.
Yeah.
And then you sprinkle on it. It gives a good flavor, good taste. Okay, very nice taste. It's a pinch of very hard unless you try it. It's very delicious. And look how it become very colorful now. Now, sister's adding these small cucumbers and then.
And this one you can make a flower.
Oh, flower too. She make a flower.
And the big one is the best one, but this small one is okay.
Yeah.
See, there's not really good.
Beautiful.
But,
beautiful.
But this just for the
decoration.
Decoration for the colorful. That's it.
You see, even though all these stuffs are for decoration, but you can eat them. It's edible, right?
Yeah.
And I've seen people finish the whole thing, and then I've seen people just eat the rice and the chicken and the egg. They leave the rest. But it's always best to finish the whole stuff. Okay, it's a complete meal there. All right, here we go with more decoration. More decoration. That's it. All done. Look at that. I never imagined it was so colorful, like your scarf. Oh my goodness, so color! She's a very colorful person. You have to be colorful, right? Okay.
You can test it now.
And you know, you still go for a Zumba class?
Yeah.
Every Monday?
Every Monday.
She's very jovial exercise, eh? Let's keep her fit. As I told you, she's 72 and she's going strong. All right, now, beautiful. I don't feel like eating it. I don't feel like eating it. So beautiful.
What about?
I don't, yeah. But I have to try. I have to say the taste, right? Sister Lela, thank you so much for preparing this. It looks beautiful. Now,
You're welcome.
now I have to taste how the taste is.
Taste.
But of course, if it's Lela, we know what the taste is.
Yeah.
All right, we are not worried about the taste. I'm just hungry. I want to eat
Yeah,
something.
eat it,
All right.
eat it.
So I'm going. Where shall I start? From the bottom or top? Where?
Usually the top one.
Top one. Okay.
Yeah, like that.
You got top one. Okay. Yeah. All right.
And then
Good. Then I put a bit of chili.
chili.
Yeah.
And then
A little bit of chili.
yeah. See? See?
Okay. Let's try.
And the chicken.
Chicken.
Cut the chicken
Okay.
with some chili.
With some chili. Yes, already chili already there.
Yeah.
And I'm going to sprinkle some with this.
Fried onion.
And then let me see what I yes.
Yeah.
There we go. I love crackers. So let me start with the cracker. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm going to mix them. I'm going to mix the rice with the chili. Let me try the rice first, yeah? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rice is well cooked, perfect. The sambal is really good, I tell you.
Sambal. Yeah.
This is your homemade sambal, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I make it. No,
very
not
good.
from the- not
Perfect,
from the-
perfect.
No, I make.
And the egg fry is perfect. Alhamdulillah. Now the Bismillah, the chicken.
I mean, you like
I mean, okay, here. Perfect texture. You know, the mix that you use to make the chicken. This is a beautiful mix. She boiled with it. Bismillah. Sister, 10 out of 10. There's no fault. Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect. So, this is beautiful. I can finish the whole thing, but my cameraman is very hungry today. So Lela only made for one person. Let me finish it.
good.
Sister Lela, I really love the food. It was so delicious. Okay?
Thank you.
And I know why the homeless people are always looking forward for your food. Now they understand why. They
Thank
love
you.
them.
Yeah.
And you know, we made sure when we decided to provide meals to homeless, we made sure it has to be a balanced diet, a healthy diet, and it has to be delicious. And so you see, in her food, she have chicken, which is protein. She have egg, which is protein.
Yeah.
Then she have rice, and then vegetable. So it's a very balanced diet that we provide to the homeless people, members of our community. So they really enjoy, and they're always looking forward for Mondays. They're waiting for Leila's food. So
Thank you.
Sister Lela, may Almighty bless you for your good deed and your family, because you're feeding the homeless people. It's a big reward.
Thank you.
It's a big reward out there for feeding. So that's in my Multicultural Social Network. But you'll see her more often in Baba's Kitchen. Thank you so much for coming today and then
That's okay.
showcasing
You're
your lovely food
You're
today, and
welcome.
we really enjoy. And then inshallah next time wish you soon.
Another one.
Okay. Thank you, sister. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.